Have you ever wondered how KFC chicken becomes so crispy, juicy, and incredibly tasty? And why its secret recipe is still hidden from the world? Today, we're going to reveal the full story behind it, from the farm all the way to your plate, step by step. The journey begins at large poultry farms, where thousands of chickens are raised in a carefully controlled environment. Everything is managed closely: temperature, cleanliness, food, and water. The chickens are given a protein-rich, balanced diet to ensure they grow quickly and stay healthy. Regular health checks are also done to prevent any disease. Within a few weeks, the chickens are fully grown, and then they are sent to processing plants. Once they arrive at the processing plant, strict hygiene is maintained. The chickens go through multiple cleaning steps to remove any impurities. After that, they are cut into different pieces, like legs, wings, and breast portions. Each piece is carefully inspected to make sure only the highest quality moves forward. Now comes the most interesting and mysterious part: KFC's famous secret recipe. It is believed to contain a special blend of 11 herbs and spices, but the exact formula is known by only a few people in the world. In fact, the recipe is so secret that different parts of it are prepared in separate locations, so no single person knows the complete formula. Next, the chicken is dipped into a special flour coating, which gives it that iconic crispy texture. This coating is applied in layers, making the crunch even better after frying. Then comes the frying process. The chicken is deep fried in high-temperature oil. Timing and temperature are extremely important here, because even a small mistake can change the taste and texture. Within minutes, the chicken turns golden brown on the outside, while staying juicy on the inside. That's what makes KFC so special. After frying, the chicken is allowed to rest for a short time, so excess oil drains out and the crispiness stays perfect. Then it is packed hygienically and sent to KFC outlets. At the outlets, it is served hot and fresh, with that satisfying crunch and delicious flavor that everyone loves. So now you know how KFC chicken is made and how much effort and technology goes into every single piece. But even after all this, one question still remains. Will you ever discover the real secret recipe? Or will it stay hidden forever? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts and behind-the-scenes stories. Stay tuned for more.